Welcome dear students. This water is liquid and the beaker in which this water is present, that is solid. Similarly, we can fill a balloon with a gas. So it means different substances, they exist in the different physical states. Now what decides the physical state of any substance? There are two factors. One are the intermolecular forces present between the molecules of a substance, and the second one, that is the thermal energy of molecules of a substance. My dear students, the intermolecular forces, they want to cling the molecules together so that the molecules may stay close to each other. As far as the thermal energy of the molecules is concerned, the thermal energy of the molecule wants the molecules move away from each other. So there are two factors. One factor wants to cling the molecules together and the other factor wants the molecules to move away from each other. It means that the balance in these two factors that will decide the physical state of any substance. So a substance which has very strong intermolecular forces with minimum thermal energy of the molecules, that will exist as solid. And the substance which has very weak intermolecular forces with maximum thermal energy of the molecules, that will exist as a gas. And the substance having intermediate strength of the intermolecular forces and intermediate value of the thermal energy of the molecules, that will act as liquid. It means when you move from solid to gas, the strength of intermolecular forces decreases and thermal energy of molecules increases. My dear students, if you want to convert a gas into liquid, you will increase the pressure, that will bring the molecules together and strengthen the intermolecular forces. But only increasing the pressure and strengthening the intermolecular forces will never help you to convert the gas into liquid. You will also have to decrease the thermal energy of the molecules. So that's why when you want to convert a gas into a liquid, you will have to decrease the temperature. That decrease in temperature will decrease the thermal energy of the molecules, and then you will increase the pressure, that will make the molecules come close to each other, and in that way the gas can be converted into liquid. Only increase in pressure and making the molecules come close to each other will never convert a gas into the liquid. So the key factor will be to decrease the thermal energy of the molecules by decreasing the temperature. And you know that every gas has a particular temperature up to which a gas will have to be cooled to convert into the liquid, and that is called as its critical temperature. So my dear students, these are the two factors which decide the physical state of any substance. Take care.